Wild, mae yna le ar yr ochr bella gan Sean Smith. Smith, mae Owens o'i blaen a mae Poole o'i blaen o. Chydig o le i Sean Smith, angen y cymorth. Poole yn cynnig i hun, yn denu Nathan Burke draw. Poole yn creisio di fewn i'r canol. Bakare! Gol hyfryd gan Kay Connor. Y symudiad i lawr y chwith, y gwaith creu gan Declan Poole. Ac yna Bakare yn rhoi Kay Connor ar y blaen, yn sgorio am yr ail gêm yn olynol. Tîm Andy Morrison ar y blaen. Harrison. Andy Owens ar ei holi. Andy Owens, mae o'n gryfach na Disney, cael ei dynnu nôl, cael ei lorio! Ond mi oedd y dyfarnwr yn y fan ar lle, allan Mr Parry ddim wedi cael golwg gwell ar hwnna. Venables. Sheridan. Mae Davies efo fo, mae Hayes yn y canol hefyd. Sheridan allai godi'r bel i fynd y cwrt, mi allai wneud edrych am Hayes fyna gael wedyn. Hayes! O, codi'r bel dros y trawst! Mike Hayes yn erbyn i gyn glwb. O, mae o'n gwybod yn iawn bod hwnna yn gyfle eiraid. Valentine, Sheridan, Davies, mae yna le gan Venables. Bale, pas dda at Venables, mae yna le ar ochr bella gan Lewis Short. Short! O, na chi gol! O, rhagorol gan Lewis Short! Dim gobaith o gwbl i Danby yn y gol. Mi ath hwnna fel roced i gefn y rwyd. Oedd y bas yn un hyfryd gan Venables. Kay Connor un y bala un.
We knew what the game was going to be. It was going to be hard. It's going to be difficult. It was going to be fighting, scrap, and horrible. And we got our noses in front. And we've had a penalty. It's a clean penalty in the first half. There's 3 or 4 contacts on him going away from the player, and we don't get a penalty. Connah's Quay do not get penalties when they're blatant, and it's it's unacceptable and really disappointing, because at 2-0 they're going to find it very difficult to get back into the game.
It's a tough place to come. The pitch is a sticky surface and a well-drilled team, and it's a good battle. It's always a tight game. There's hardly ever more than 1 goal in it. So again, the same again tonight. So a draw. So it's always difficult. It's not great on the eye, but it's 2 teams fully committed and fully pound for pound against each other.
9 games to go. Realistically, are the New Saints too far ahead, and would you be satisfied with 2nd position?
We were all going for 2nd. Cardiff, Met, Bangor, us, Bala. We're all pushing hard for 2nd place. TNS have won the league. Simple as that. It's anyone who says anything different is kidding themselves. So we're all fighting for that 2nd spot.
We're happy to be where we are. That we had a poor start, and we've done fantastically well to get where we are. And we're not happy with the situation that we're in at the moment. And it's going to be an exciting 9 games to go. So it's going to be good, and bring it on.